Hello children, welcome to the class of general knowledge. Children, I hope you all are fine and studying also. Children, today I am going to teach you a new lesson 31 for inspiration. There are some people in the world who, with their strong will, fight all the obstacles in their life and become successful. We all are inspired by those personalities. Let us study about some of the personalities who have achieved great things in their life. Some of them are Marla Runian, Baba Amte, Deepa Malik and Stephen Hawking. Let us study about them. Open your book, page number 43. Children, look at page number 43, lesson 31 for inspiration. Children, in this chapter, we are going to learn about some personalities who have faced the obstacles in their life and have succeeded. Given below are the personalities who exemplified the statement, "Never give up." Children, this is the picture of Marla Runian. Marla Runian Stargardt's disease developed at the age of 9, which left her legally blind. Despite this disability, she has turned out to be a 3 times national champion in the women's 5,000 meters. She has won 4 gold medals in the 1992 Summer Paralympics. Children, Marla Runian suffered from a disease called Stargardt's disease. It is an eye disease and the person's vision becomes bad. It doesn't make a person totally blind. At the age of 9, she suffered from this disease. Despite this disability, she turned out to be a 3 times national champion in the women's 5,000 meters. Children, Paralympics is a series of international contests for athletes with disabilities. The next picture shows Baba Amte. Muralidhar Devidas Amte, commonly known as Baba Amte, was an Indian social worker and social activist known particularly for his work for the rehabilitation and the empowerment of people suffering from leprosy. His work earned him numerous international awards. Baba Amte worked for the society. He was a social activist. He worked for the rehabilitation and empowerment of people suffering from the disease leprosy. Look at the next picture. She is Deepa Malik. She is the first Indian woman to win a medal in a Paralympic Games and won a silver medal at the 2016 Summer Paralympics in the shot put. She was awarded the Arjuna Award, the highest honor for a sportsperson in the country, in 2012 for her achievements. Deepa Malik was the first Indian woman to win a medal in Paralympic Games. She won a silver medal in the year 2016 Summer Paralympics. She was also awarded the Arjuna Award, which is the highest honor for a sports person in the country. She was given Arjuna Award in the year 2012 for her achievement. Children, look at the fourth picture. This is the picture of Stephen Hawking. Stephen Hawking is famous for his book, A Brief History of Time, which made him an academic celebrity. He was severely disabled by a motor neuron disease. He remains to be the role model for many of the budding physicists. Stephen Hawking was a well-known personality. He was a well-known physicist. He became famous for his book, A Brief History of Time. Stephen Hawking was severely disabled by a motor neuron disease. He remains to be the role model for many of the budding physicists. He became the role model for many physicists. So children, today you have studied about the famous personalities who did not give up in their life and fought and became successful. You have studied about Mahalala Runian, Baba Amte, Deepa Malik, and at last Stephen Hawking. Children, I hope you will draw inspiration from them also, and you will try to do your work even more nicely and succeed in life. I hope you have understood today's lesson. That's all for today. Thank you.